Let's learn how to delete posts on Poppo Live. So in my previous video about Poppo Live, I talked about how to post on Poppo Live. I'll be dropping the link of the video at the description box of this video. Hello, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to delete posts on Poppo Live. The first thing you have to do is to log into your Poppo Live app. The next thing is to click on the profile option found at the bottom of your screen. Click on your profile image. Click on moments. Scroll gently. You're going to see your post. All you have to do there is to click on the three lines found at the top right corner of the particular post you wish to delete. Click on the delete option. If you click on the delete option, automatically the posts will be deleted from your Poppo Live. You can see that these posts have automatically been deleted. So guys, that is it on how to delete posts on Poppo Live. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.